Hey everyone! How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Here's your news report, stimulus check update, and stimulus package update for Friday, March 19th. I will be going over the status of the third stimulus check and how President Joe Biden's American Rescue Plan can further help millions of Americans. Make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn more about the new stimulus debit card fees. I will be announcing the winner of the $50 Amazon gift card giveaway in a video that will be posted later today. You can still enter the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below. Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren recently proposed a plan that would protect and expand Social Security benefits for millions of Americans. Let's go over what is in Senator Warren's plan. The plan increases standard Social Security and Social Security disability insurance benefits immediately by $200 a month for every current and future beneficiary in the U.S. That would be an additional $2,400 a year. The plan also changes out-of-date Social Security rules to improve benefits for lower-income families, women, people of color, people with disabilities, and public sector workers. In addition, the plan values the work of caregivers by creating a new credit for people who take time out of the workforce to care for a family member, and recognizes caregiving for the valuable work it is. It also helps people with disabilities build financial security and get the care they need by rewriting eligibility rules to stop punishing beneficiaries for returning to work and eliminating the 5-month Social Security disability insurance benefits waiting period and the 24-month Medicare waiting period. I think Warren's plan is really great. What are your thoughts on this, everyone? Leave them in the comments below. According to Senator Elizabeth Warren, adults with disabilities are twice as likely to live in poverty as those without a disability. Monthly Social Security disability insurance benefits make up at least 90% of income for nearly half of beneficiaries. That's why Senator Warren's plan increases Social Security benefits by $200 a month. Now, millions of Americans are about to receive a $1,400 third economic impact payment. However, many relief payments will come on a debit card which could come with fees. According to Darian Fleming, she received her second stimulus payment on a card and she's been hesitant to use it. A family member, she said, was charged a fee when they went to the bank to withdraw cash from the card. When I heard that, I started feeling really resistant to the idea of paying a fee to use this stimulus money, said Fleming. The card administered by MetaBank and Money Network charges fees similar to using a standard debit card. For example, when you withdraw funds from an ATM, the card won't charge you for the first withdrawal but will charge you $2 per transaction after that. The ATM owner may charge you a fee, too, even on the first withdrawal. Checking your balance at an ATM could mean a 25-cent fee. The ATM operator may also charge a fee. When you withdraw funds from a bank teller, the card will charge you $5. Similar to the ATM, the first transaction is free. The bank may also charge you a fee. But, there are a couple of ways you could avoid fees. All point-of-sale purchases will be free anywhere Visa is accepted. You can withdraw funds from any in-network ATM. You can also transfer funds to your bank account through the Money Network mobile app, or the card's website. Now the Biden administration has acknowledged that small businesses continue to face an immediate crisis because of the economic fallout. However, the $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan, that President Joe Biden just signed into law, provides far less support to small businesses than previous rounds of pandemic relief. Direct aid to small businesses accounts for $50 billion of the $1.9 trillion plan. According to CNN, that is far lower than the two previous relief bills that lawmakers have passed. For example, the CARES Act in March 2020 provided nearly $400 billion in forgivable small business loans and grants. Richard Price-Anzano, the director of policy analysis at the Penn Wharton Budget Model, recently stated, "There are things that will help small businesses like everyone else, but the direct benefits in the most recent stimulus bill for small businesses is pretty small." But experts say the American Rescue Plan does offer new, more targeted sources of aid for small businesses. That is the end of the video, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to enter the $50 Amazon gift card giveaway by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and commenting below.
100 million shots for the virus. in the first 100 days of our office. 100 million shots in 100 days. It was considered ambitious. Some even suggested it was somewhat audacious. Experts said that the plan was, quote, definitely aggressive, and distribution would have to be seamless for us to be successful. One headline simply put it, quote, it won't be easy, end of quote. Well, it wasn't. When we took office, there was a lot that had to be done. We needed more vaccines, more vaccinators, more places for people to get vaccinated. And we needed a whole-of-government approach. So I directed Jeff Zients, the coordinator of our COVID-19 response, to put us on a war footing, and I meant that in a literal sense, to get us on track to truly beat this virus. And I'm proud to announce that tomorrow, 58 days into our administration, we will have met my goal of administering 100 million shots to our fellow Americans. That's weeks ahead of schedule, and even with the setbacks we faced during the winter storms. And there's another big step on the path to checking putting checks in pockets and shots in people's arms. When we crossed the 50 million doses just 3 weeks ago, I told you that every time we hit the 50 million mark, I'd update you on our progress. So here's where we are today. 8 weeks ago, only 8% of seniors, those most vulnerable to COVID-19, had received a vaccination. Today, 65% of people aged 65 or older have received at least one shot, and 36% are fully vaccinated. And that's key, because this is the population that represents 80% of the well over 500,000 COVID-19 deaths that have occurred in America. We have nearly double the amount of vaccine doses that we distribute to states, tribes, and territories each week. We have gone from 1 million shots a day that I promised in December before we were even sworn in to an average of 2.5 million shots a day, outpacing the rest of the world significantly. And here's how we accomplished this. Using the power given to a president under the Defense Production Act, we expedited critical materials in vaccine production, such as equipment, machinery, and supplies. We work with vaccine manufacturers to speed up the delivery of millions more doses and brokered a historic manufacturing partnership between competing companies who put patriotism and public health first. These steps put us on track to have enough vaccine